Please come, ladies. आइए come ladies come. Okay, come girls.
दोनों के साथ
Achievements here in this challenge class. Thank you dear.
बेटा वन सेकंड अच्छा नहीं
आप सभी ने हमें इतना ज़्यादा प्यार दिया. Thank you so much for inviting us in this occasion. So we'll start with Vande Mataram. Are you all ready? Yes. Are you all ready? Yes. Okay.
want to listen one more song from Moto.
Obviously, ready.
Forward. Just come a bit forward. Yes.
भारत माता की
गुजरने वाली हवा बता मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या मेरे गाँव जा मेरे दोस्तों को सलाम दे ऐ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्म से निकल के खून करे ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चले मेरी रहे न रहे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जाऊं गुड़ बन के मैं खिल जाऊं इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जाऊं तेरे खेतों में लहराऊं इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू जान से प्यारा है सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है भारत माँ के चरणों में जीवन कुर्बान है भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा वो भारत देश है मेरा वो भारत देश है मेरा जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा वो भारत देश है मेरा वो भारत देश है मेरा वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
बहुत ही मधुर आवाज है आप दोनों की। हम सभी आपकी मधुर आवाज सुन के भाव विभूत हो चुके हैं।
Want to share some experience?
I thank Ms. Kamini for inviting us in this wonderful occasion, and I'm loving this vibe, and I just I was very excited to come here, and I want to just thank Daddy, I mean मिसेस वर्मा जिन्होंने हमें यहाँ पे आने का किया कि प्लीज कम हियर एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी टू बी हियर मतलब इतना अच्छा सुंदर डेकोरेशन और पेरेंट्स भी बहुत प्यार करते हैं।
We all love our students.
They are all cheering us up when we are singing. This vibe, I love this vibe and this patriotism. Very nice. Very nice.
Wow, that's wonderful. So a huge round of applause for Mrs. Verma for motivating them, to our principal ma'am for inviting them and having them here. Thank you so much, both of you. We are thrilled to have witnessed such.
And gentlemen, it is my honor to introduce you to the esteemed members of the Preamble Committee, including Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Sarojini Naidu, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and other distinguished leaders. Now, it is my privilege to invite the principal architect of our Constitution, the chairman of the drafting committee, the champion to social justice, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, to present the preamble to our Constitution to the nation. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, also known as Baba Sahib Ambedkar. It is a moment of pride for me, as on 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect and be the principal architect of our Constitution. I feel deeply attached to it. While drafting the Constitution, I kept in my mind the diversity of our country and all other aspects too. Thus, people started calling me the father of Indian Constitution. The preamble of Indian Constitution states, "We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, fraternity, assuring the dignity of individual and the unity and integrity of the nation." Jai Hind.
Wow, what a wonderful presentation of our Constituent Assembly.
Now move towards our fascinating spiritual, historical, traditional, digital, modern India. India is a land of diverse cultures where each state holds its unique beauty and heritage with the spirit of unity in diversity. Modern India is a combination of tradition and innovation, representing global power with a growing economy, with an increasing internal dynamic and influence in the world. With advancements in Indian technologies, our nation has made significant strides in various fields, including space exploration, information technology, artificial intelligence, robotics, and renewable energy. In simple words, from antenna to Wi-Fi, from landlines to iPhones, from LPG cylinders to pipelines, from 7 stones to popular video game Candy Crush, from Gurukul to online classes, and from PSLV to Chandrayaan. These advancements demonstrate India's potential to innovate and drive technological progress, solidifying its position as a rising global power. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Siyatan, Sihang, Daan,
Shri Akal. Punjab is very popular for its friendly environment and tourist places. It is on the northwestern side of India and has a different culture and language known as Punjabi. Punjab, often called the heartbeat of India, is a state steeped in history, culture, and unparalleled vibrancy. Punjabi songs are popular not only in India but also abroad in terms of area. Punjab is the 12th largest state in India.
Punjabi cuisine is carefully prepared with passion, using various spices and condiments. The cuisine is rich and loaded with flavors. Any visit to the state is incomplete without relishing the authentic Punjabi flavors. Punjabi dishes like sarson ka saag, makke ki roti, malai lassi, chole bhature and butter chicken. Punjabis love to wear traditional clothes like fulkari kurta pajama and salwar kameez.
But what's most exciting about Punjab is an energetic dance, Bhangra. Bhangra is a fun folk dance that is performed during festivals and celebrations, especially during Baisakhi. People dance to the beat of the dhol, sing traditional songs, and spin around with joy. Come and experience the warmth and energy of Punjab, and let's dance Bhangra together. Our nursery students. Come on, parents, put your hands up in the air. What a splendid performance, children. You rocked the stage. That was our folk dance from Punjab, Bhangra.
Towards a brighter future.
A proud morning, everyone. Today, on 25th of January, we are here to celebrate our Republic Day. Diyansh, can you tell us why this day is so special for our country? Good morning, Abhimanyu. And dear all, Republic Day is significant because on this day in 1950, India adopted its constitution, becoming a sovereign republic. Wow, that's interesting. So, even though we gained independence independence in 1947. It was in 1950 that we became a republic. Exactly. After independence, our leaders wanted a strong foundation for the nation. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar led the drafting committee to frame our constitution, which was adopted on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950. I see. And every year we have grand celebrations in New Delhi, right? Yes, the main celebration is the Republic Day parade held at Kartavya Path in New Delhi. It showcases India's culture, diversity and military strength. Various states present tableaus and there are performances by school children. The President of India, who is the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, presides over the event. I have heard that each year a foreign dignitary is invited as a chief guest. Who will be the chief guest this year? This year, for the 2025 Republic Day celebrations, India has extended an invitation to Indonesian President Mr. Prabowo Subianto to be the chief guest. That's wonderful. His presence signifies the strong diplomatic relations between India and Indonesia. Republic Day. Absolutely. Republic Day not only reminds us of our democratic values, but also highlights our unity in diversity. It's a day to honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and to pledge our commitment to the nation's progress. Thank you, Diyan, for sharing these insights. Let's all take pride in our nation and work together to uphold the principles of our Constitution. Our nation's strength lies not in its wealth or power, but in the character of its people. Let us be the strength of India. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Thank you. Namaste. Uttar Pradesh, this sprawling state, is a testament to India's rich heritage, boasting 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites: the majestic Taj Mahal, Fatehpur Sikri and Agra Fort. Uttar Pradesh is the 4th largest state in India by area and is located in North India, bordered by Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi, Uttarakhand and Nepal. The main handicrafts include chicken work embroidery. The famous cuisines of this state are the biryani, kebabs and the popular dish nihari, shahi kebab with balu shahi as a traditional sweet. Here comes the traditional Indian classical dance style from North India, Kathak, where dancers tell stories, mostly about Lord Krishna, using expressive hand gestures, intricate footwork, and facial expressions, wearing beautiful costumes and tiny bells on their ankles called ghungroos.
Time to hear from our
Namaste. Kathak, a dance perform that focus on eyes and face. Thank you.
Wow, they have mesmerized us with their fascinating voices.
folk dance of Uttar Pradesh, Kathak.
सुरागिनियों से सजा भारत अनोखा राग अनोखा राग भारत के इस एक तारे पे गूंज रही है जो जो रागिनी सब मिल गई एक धुन बनी
Wow, what a beautiful performance. Please put your hands together. They have mesmerized us with their fascinating सारे जहां से अच्छा, सारे जहां से अच्छा, हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसितां हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाएं झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक की धरती है बलिदान की। आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाएं झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक की धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। मेरा धर्मातु, मेरा धर्मातु, तेरा सब कुछ है, मेरा सब कुछ तू। हर कर्म अपना करेंगे, हर कर्म अपना करेंगे, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए हम जिएंगे और मरेंगे, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो, हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, इतना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। अपनी छतरी तुमको दे दे कभी जबर से पानी, कभी नए पैकेट में देते तुमको चीज पुरानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, 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 फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। Thank you. Let's hear it for our amazing students.
અબ્બાસનો સ્વાગતા છે. તમે બધા કેમ છો? મજામાં. Gujarat is a state of immense beauty, diversity and opportunity. Its rich culture, heritage, thriving economy and hospitable people make it a jewel in India's crown.
A burst of flavors, an array of colors, and a sweet tinge constitutes the irresistible Gujarati dishes. Gujarati food, which is enjoyed worldwide, is a testament for the fact how Gujarati cuisines has hit the right notes with people all around the world. Some yummy Gujarati dishes are dhokla, khakra, undiyu, handwo, ghatia, thepla, fafda, jalebi, Gujarati khichdi, and more.
The people of Gujarat love to dress up in traditional colorful clothes like chaniya choli and kurtas. But what most exciting about Gujarat is the vibrant festival, especially Navratri, where people dance the night away with Garba.
Garba is a fun folk dance where people dance in circles around goddess Durga, singing and playing music.
It's an amazing feeling. So come and experience the warmth and joy of Gujarat and let's dance Garba together.
Thank you.
Our little enthusiast puppet.
Jai Shri Krishna! I want to dance perform around the picture of Goddess Durga. Thank you!
Wonderful performance. Put your hands together to encourage. That's Garba, the folk dance of Gujarat. Come on, parents, please cheer them. What a splendid performance. Children, you rocked the stage. A thunderous applause for them.
Baby, come.
To welcome them, I just want to hear the thunder sound. These are going to be a little future of our India.
आसमान में कदमों में रोको न सपनों के तूफानों को रोको न ख्वाबों की उड़ानों को रोको न ख्वाबों के निशानों को आग जैसे बरसा दे ये इरादे जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरे से निकलेंगी चिंगारियां ओ जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरे से निकलेंगी
Parents, a standing ovation for them. I want you to stand and clap, please. That is so cute.
Maharashtra, also known as the gateway of India, is a state in western India on the coast of Arabian Sea. It is bordered by the states of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Goa and Chhattisgarh. Marathi is the official language of Maharashtra. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most important festival of the state. The famous cuisines include misal pav, pav bhaji and vada pav.
We now present the famous and traditional folk art form of Maharashtra, Lavani, that combines song and dance, which is exclusively performed by women. This dance form showcases a variety of themes, including romance, tragedy, politics, and society. This dance form is noted for its powerful rhythm.
We are excited to hear from our nursery kids, Aradhita and Dhani Rathi, about Lavani dance.
Namasak, Lavani, a dance form noted for its powerful rhythm dedicated to Lord Shiva. Thank you.
Thank you, children. Please cheer. That's lovely. The folk dance. बलिदानों का सपना जब सच हुआ, देश तभी आजाद हुआ. आज सलाम करें उन वीरों को जिनकी शहादत से भारत गणतंत्र हुआ.
आज हम सभी एक विशेष दिन की याद में यहाँ एकत्रित हुए हैं, जिसने हमें एक मजबूत राष्ट्र के रूप में आगे बढ़ने का अवसर दिया. गणतंत्र दिवस हमें ये याद दिलाता है कि हम सब एक साथ हैं. साथ ही साथ हम एक नए भारतीय परिवार के निर्माण के लिए आगे बढ़ रहे हैं.
भारत में 26 जनवरी को गणतंत्र दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है. इस दिन साल 1950 में भारतीय संविधान लागू किया गया था और भारत गणराज्य की स्थापना हुई थी. गणतंत्र दिवस के इस पावन पर्व पर मैं अपने सहपाठी के साथ संविधान के विषय में कविता का गान करेंगे, जिसका शीर्षक है हमारा संविधान.
गणतंत्र का सजग प्रतीक मैं भारत का संविधान हूँ. समानता का पाठ पढ़ाता मैं वही विधान हूँ. गणतंत्र का सजग प्रतीक मैं भारत का संविधान हूँ.
संपूर्ण प्रभुत्व संपन्न बनाता मैं भारत का अभिमान हूँ. समाजवाद का प्रबल समर्थक, पंथ निरपेक्षता का सम्मान हूँ। गणतंत्र का सजग प्रहरी मैं भारत का संविधान हूँ।
लोकतंत्र का सदैव प्रहरी गणराज्य का प्रतिमान हूँ। रीति न्याय से समाहित रखता मैं न्याय से शक्तिमान हूँ। गणतंत्र का सजग प्रहरी मैं भारत का संविधान हूँ।
विचार, अभिव्यक्ति, विश्वास, धर्म, उपासना का अधिमान हूँ। प्रतिष्ठा, अवसर की समता, गरिमा का संधान हूँ। राष्ट्रीय एकता और अखंडता, बंधुता का प्रमाण हूँ। गणतंत्र का सजग प्रहरी मैं भारत का संविधान हूँ। सभी भारतवासियों को गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
हमारी दुआ है ना लगे हमारे देश को किसी की नजर।
महकता रहे यूं ही फूलों की तरह हर पर। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
बहुत सुंदर कविता आपने प्रस्तुत करी।
Tamil Nadu means Tamil country, famous for its rich cultural heritage, temples, festivals, arts and cuisine. It is the industrial powerhouse of the nation. Tamil Nadu is the fourth largest state of India and located in the extreme south of the Indian subcontinent. It is bounded by the Indian Ocean to the east and south, and by the states of Kerala to the west, Karnataka to the northwest, and Andhra Pradesh to the north. The main cuisines include uttapam, lemon rice, chicken chettinad, banana bonda, rasam, and parabu payasam. Pongal is the traditional dish of Tamil Nadu, made by cooking rice in a pot with water and milk. Here comes the classical dance form of Tamil Nadu, Bharatanatyam, which is characterized by bent legs, extensive footwork, and a fixed upper torso. The hands in Bharatanatyam is used to tell a story through a series of symbolic hand gesture called mudras.
Please welcome our young friends Johan. That is unity in diversity, the 5 states depicted before you. The theme of today's program, folk dances of India. Parents, we want your flags up in the air. Come on, parents, put your hands up in the air. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Now I would like to invite Dr. Leena Sharma for a few words of motivation for all the participants.
नमो नमो भारताम्बे सारस्वत शरीरिणी नमोस्तु जगदाम्बे ब्रह्म विद्या प्रकाशिनी नमो नमो भारताम्बे हिमालय किरीटिनी गंगाचा सरद सर्व कन्यम्बे विश्व पावनी नमो 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 नमो
Bharatnatyam, the folk dance of Tamil Nadu.
नमो नमो भारताम्बे अधरिणी चण्डमण्डिते कुर्वन्ति लोकास्ते तीर्थभूता मुनीश्वरा नमो नमो भारताम्बे विन्ध्यतुङ्गस्तनायिते समुद्रवसने देवी सह्यवरा विराजिते
Well done, children. Put your hands together to encourage the students. Parents, it's not easy performing the Bharat.
भारत माता की भारत माता की मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँखों में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी हो संदेश आते हैं उन्हें तड़पाते हैं तो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे कब आओगे कि तुम कब आओगे कि तुम बिन ये घर सोना सोना है मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार है माँ तुझे सलाम
Parents, we can have the flag.
माँ तुझे सलाम अब तुम्हें आगे बढ़ते हैं अब तुम्हें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना कंधों से मिलते हैं कदम कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन जीतते हैं ये देश वीर जवानों का जेलों का मस्तानों का इस देश के यारों क्या कहना ये देश है दुनिया का कहना भारत माता की
धन्यवाद पीहू एंड कुहू, आप लोगों ने अपनी मधुर वाणी द्वारा एक बार फिर हम सबको मंत्रमुग्ध कर दिया और हम सब में जोश उत्पन्न कर दिया भारत की एकता के प्रति।
Welcome you all to celebrate the pride, unity and cultural richness of our nation with an event full of music, dance, inspiration and patriotism. our Honorable Founder Chairman Sir, Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar always believed that a nation's culture resides in the heart and soul, which passes from one generation to another. Celebration of such occasions is a positive step for the students in the field of education, which inculcates the spirit of patriotism and togetherness in the students. Our respected Director Ma'am, Ms. Mamta V. Bhatnagar, firmly believes that through these celebrations, we mold young minds into responsible citizens. We take pride in to be an Indian. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your constant guidance, support, and never-ending desire to do exceptional things in the field of education for an overall growth and development of students. Now, I would like to take an opportunity to sing our national song as a tribute for our nation.
Ma'am, look here, ma'am. Done.
Parents, please clap for them.
Ma'am, look here, ma'am.
It is with great pride
Ma'am, look here, ma'am. Ma'am, Anilima, ma'am. Ma'am, look. Ma'am, look here.
Thank you, sir.
On this Republic Day, let us remember our duties and work for a brighter future. Jai Hind!
Jai Hind! We now have our Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, for the Republic Day Parade.
child here is the future of India. Let's be inspired, work hard and make India a Vishwa Guru. आप सब मेरे साथ बोलिए, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। धन्यवाद।
We are delighted to welcome the Indonesian President, Mr. Prabowo Subianto, as the chief guest on the 76th Republic Day as the continuous initiative to improve bilateral relations between India and Indonesia.
Namaste, India. I am truly delighted and deeply grateful to be invited by the Honorable Prime Minister of India to witness the Grand Republic Day Parade. It's an honor to celebrate this glorious occasion with the wonderful people of India. Thank you.
Left, right, left. 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 Right, up.
As we pay tribute to the idols of justice, equality, and liberty that our Constitution embodies, we request our President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, along with our respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Kamini Singhal, distinguished dignitaries, and esteemed guests to please proceed to unfurl the national flag. I request everyone to please stand up.
सर एंगल देखो।
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
नवकर्ष दीप्तम, इसका अर्थ है डर के साथ आकाश को छू लेना। ये ही some know Varuna. May the land of oceans be auspicious. Army, seva parmo dharma. Service is the highest duty. Wonderful display of this for you. So shall we start the quiz? Okay. So parents, we have two very important national festivals. One is Republic Day, which we are celebrating today, and one is, I'm not asking the national festival's name, that would be too easy. So, and one is Independence Day. So, I just want to know, when do we hoist the national flag of India? Parents. So parents, you can stand so the teacher can come to you.
We host our national flag on 26th January as well as on 15th
No,
August.
sir, we hoist on any one of them. So anyone else? Ma'am at the back. Ma'am is Komal there at the back. 15th August. 15th August we hoist our national flag. And now it is very clear where is it located. So I want to give chance to our chief guest.
Statue of Unity in Gujarat, India.
Oh my God. So she deserves a big round of applause.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Yes. It's of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a national leader, and it's near the river bank of Narmada. Okay, third. Now this is very easy. Parents, I want more raising hands. National fruit of India. Mango is the right one, but one parent more. Okay, ma'am, you can go to her. Yes. Hockey.
No, there is no, right now there is no game.
Oh, there is no game. Okay, there is no national game, so she has given a good information to us.
Republic Day parade takes place in Delhi. A question for this section.
Kartavya Path.
Yes, sir, you are indeed right.
I am father of Shaurya and Bhavya.
The Republic Day parade takes place at the Kartavya Path on the Republic Day, which was initially called the Raj Path. Are we ready for the second question? Okay.
आप सभी को मेरी तरफ से, मेरी दोनों बेटियों कुहू और पीहू की तरफ से भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय. It's a pleasure being here. Thank you, Mrs. Kamini. Thank you, Mrs. Verma, and all the teachers, staff members, dear students, and parents. Thank you so much for inviting us. We are very fortunate and thoroughly enjoyed the program. और unbelievable, ये कहूँगी कि इतने कम समय में इतनी अच्छी प्रिपरेशन, डेकोरेशन इज सो नाइस, अमेजिंग एंड एफर्ट्स आप सब ने जो इसमें एक साथ किया. कोर्स सबका एक साथ एफर्ट ही होता है, तभी इतना अच्छा उसका आउटपुट निकल के आता है. सो अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. और आप सबके लिए भी जो धूप में बैठे हैं, अपने लिए एक बार, और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ये मैसेज देना चाहूँगी कि जो अगर आप डेडिकेटेड हैं किसी भी चीज़ को लेकर और हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली सक्सेस आपको ज़रूर मिलेगी. एंड उसके साथ पैरेलली जो वर्क करता है दैट इज़ टाइम मैनेजमेंट. वो अगर आप कर लें तो यू कैन अचीव मैनी थिंग्स. एंड पेरेंट्स के लिए आज का टाइम जो है दैट इज़ वेरी चैलेंजिंग. जो सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल है वो ये है कि आप गैजेट्स और इन सब चीज़ों से अपने बच्चों को कैसे दूर रखें और आप कैसे अच्छी से अच्छी अपब्रिंगिंग उनको दें. बहुत मुश्किल है ये समय, बट ये हमारे लिए एक चैलेंज है. और बीइंग पेरेंट्स हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हो जाती है कि हम अपने देश को जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन दे रहे हैं वो हम क्या दे रहे हैं, कैसी दे रहे हैं. उसका फाउंडेशन बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए. जो हमारे बच्चे हैं उनके वैल्यूज़, उनके संस्कार हमें इस तरह से बिल्डअप करने हैं कि आगे चल के पूरे देश को उन पे नाज हो. तो बीइंग पेरेंट्स ये हम लोगों की जिम्मेदारी है कि हम अच्छे नागरिक.
I want a huge round of applause from all the audience. Staff members are requested to please join.
Louder, parents. Satyamev Jayate. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. ए भारत तुझे सलाम. ए भारत तुझे सलाम. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Thank you everyone. Over to Ms. Neelima for the feedback forms.
Thank you, Ms. Anuja, for creating the spirit of patriotism and Josh in all